So, not sure why, but a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to do this video. The microphone quality of the Powerbeats Pro against AirPods 2. These are the wireless charging case, and they're inside this cool leather case, which I really love and would definitely recommend anybody to check out. It's cool because I could just attach it on this part of my jeans right here and just slide it inside my pocket, freeing up space for my wallet and cell phone and other stuff. I'll have a link to this leather case in the video description for those who are interested, but that's why I primarily use this leather case. So technically, although I already went ahead and done this video, a lot of you guys keep leaving the same comment to do a microphone quality test, even though it's already inside this video. You click the little iCard above, somewhere around these corners right there. But it is a 20-minute video, and we only do one test. So for this video, this is going to be a full dedicated video just to test out the microphone quality between these two headphones in many different scenarios that you might find yourself in. So the first one I'm going to go ahead and test out, it's going to be an indoor environment with no background noise. And then I'm going to go ahead and take it up a notch and do an indoor environment, this time with background noise. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and do outdoors, walking down the streets, and then also outdoors riding our bikes. To get an idea what microphone is the best microphone between the Powerbeats Pro against the AirPods 2. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is an indoor environment, quiet background, no noise actually, with the AirPods. So this is how your audio quality is going to sound like whenever you're answering a phone call or having a phone call conversation when you're using AirPods. Alright, switching over. AirPower Pros? AirPod, did I call them AirPowers? Powerbeats Pro, equipped, same exact situation, scenario, no background noise, just me talking, microphone quality from the Powerbeats Pro. And here's the audio test with the AirPods. Inside of moving vehicle, I got the AC, not on blast, but it's pretty loud, I could hear it. And road debris, road noises, yeah, I could hear that. So yeah, this is the audio test with the AirPods inside a moving vehicle. For whatever said reason, your vehicle, you need to answer the phone call in your car without being distracted by using your phone. AirPods. And now continuing with the test, same exact road, same exact situation, literally a few seconds from the previous clip. AC still blasting, it sounds like, but it's not. It's like medium. And bumpy roads, yeah. And once again, both headphones are dual, so you can wear either right and left. I have 1 year available, so I'm not breaking any laws. But yeah, this is your sound quality if you happen to answer your phone while driving using Powerbeats. Alright, so once again with the AirPods, this time we're inside a indoor environment, literally inside some food court inside a random mall. So you can probably hear the background noise. But this is the microphone quality test, unedited with the AirPods 2. That even matters. Honestly, I think it's the same like the AirPods 1. Alright, now it's a little bit of silence, but now we're testing the same test. Inside is still the food court here in some random mall. So background noise of other people chatting. But this is the microphone quality from the Powerbeats Pro. So again, they both do an excellent job in my opinion. Alright, audio test 3, 2, 1. So this is outdoor environment, real life traffic driving by. You can test out the noise cancellation. Not sure if you're actually able to hear me, but this is how your audio calls will sound like with these AirPods. So let's just tone down a bit so you can see if it picks up any vehicles driving by. Yeah, that's life traffic for you. Switching over. Here we go. Same exact street, same exact traffic, but this time with the Powerbeats, as you may see. So vehicles are driving by. This is how your voice audio calls will sound like if you ever answer or pick up a call with your Powerbeats. So same thing like we did last time. Let's not talk and just see how much of a background noise we pick up. So yeah, that's how traffic sounds like with the Powerbeats. 3, 2, 1. That was bumpy. So here we are in the great outdoors, riding our bike. I don't expect the wind and the audio quality to be great, but if you're curious how it would sound like riding your bike or doing anything active that involves you running towards the wind, this is how the audio quality will sound like. Alright, same exact bike road, wind conditions, exactly the same. So this is how your audio quality will sound like if you answer a phone call and you happen to be riding your bike. So after listening to the AirPods, I'm actually quite surprised of the noise cancellation software or whatever they have inside those AirPods, as it was actually able to minimize the wind noise to the point where you can still technically hear it, but you can hear my voice just as well. So hopefully the Powerbeats Pro can do the same exact thing. So that's basically the comparison against the Powerbeats Pro against the AirPods 2. In my opinion, both actually do a fantastic job. I still think the Apple AirPods kind of has that advantage because that stem is closer to your mouth. It's more, the microphone is facing your lips a little bit more. So it allows it to pick up the audio a little bit better than the Powerbeats, where it's just like right here really. But both still do an excellent job, as you heard. But again, if you guys want to watch the full comparison against these three headphones, the Samsung Galaxy Buds, it's also included in that video. Make sure to check out that link in the video description down below for the full video comparison. But if you were to ask me, I think the Powerbeats, to most people, it's a complete package. I mean, you get everything, not just what the AirPods offer, but you get a little bit more because with the Powerbeats, they have the hook design. You get a better secure fit that's guaranteed to fit everyone. That's an issue that the AirPods have. It's kind of like a one-size-fits, so it doesn't fit everyone. Everybody's ears are different, and yeah. So before this video gets unnecessarily longer, if you want to find out more, again, check out that link in the video description down below. But that's going to be it for this video. Just want to wrap it up real quick. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like what I'm doing, want to help support the channel, make sure to leave this video a big thumbs up, as that lets me know, but that will also strongly help support the channel because YouTube is a weird number game. And also, if you're new to the channel, like the content I'm doing, like the style, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to comment down below if there's other comparison or other products you wish for me to get my hands on. I'm always listening. That's why I made this video for you guys. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.